The internet has a hidden side most people never discover. Not the dark web, not hacker forums. I'm talking about AI websites so powerful, so strange, and so unbelievably useful that once you find them, you feel like you've unlocked secret internet knowledge. These aren't the basic tools everyone already knows about. Not the same boring AI chatbots repeated in every YouTube video. These are the websites people quietly bookmark and never tell their friends about. And honestly, some of them feel like they shouldn't even exist. The first website is called MirrorNet. At first glance, it looks almost too simple. But then you realize what it actually does. Instead of paying for multiple streaming subscriptions, this platform mirrors content across servers in a way that lets users access huge libraries of movies and shows instantly. People online compare it to having every streaming platform combined into one place. And because AI recommendation systems are integrated into platforms like this, users can discover content faster than traditional streaming apps themselves. Now obviously, websites like this constantly change domains, get blocked, reappear, and move around the internet. But what's fascinating is the technology behind them. AI now helps optimize streaming compression, recommend content behavior, and even detect user preferences better than many official platforms. And that's what makes modern AI weird. It's quietly powering parts of the internet people barely understand. The second website feels like science fiction, HeyGen. This website can create realistic AI avatars that speak in multiple languages with synchronized lip movement. You can literally type text, choose an avatar, and generate a professional-looking human presenter in minutes. Businesses use it for training videos, marketing ads, and YouTube content. But people online started using it for something far stranger, cloning themselves digitally. Imagine creating an AI version of yourself that records videos while you sleep. And honestly, that future is already starting. AI-generated video platforms are growing incredibly fast because companies realized video production is one of the most expensive parts of online marketing. Instead of hiring actors, studios, and editors, businesses now generate entire campaigns with AI avatars. The third website is one most people have never heard about, Suno AI. This website can generate full songs from text prompts, not beats, not melodies, entire songs, vocals, lyrics, instrumentals, production. You type something like sad cinematic rap song about losing everything, and AI creates a complete track within seconds. And what's crazy is how good some of the outputs sound. Music creators are already using AI tools to generate demo tracks, background music, and viral TikTok sounds at insane speed. The scary part? Some listeners genuinely cannot tell whether songs are human-made anymore. And this is becoming a huge debate across the music industry. Because once AI can create songs instantly, the barrier to becoming a music creator basically disappears. Then there's the fourth website, ElevenLabs. This one might be the most terrifying. ElevenLabs can clone human voices almost perfectly. Upload a short audio sample, and AI learns tone, emotion, pacing, and pronunciation. Suddenly, anyone can generate voiceovers that sound nearly identical to real people. YouTubers use it. Podcast creators use it. Businesses use it for customer service automation. But the technology became controversial fast because of how realistic it sounds. AI-generated voice scams are already becoming a serious issue worldwide. Experts warn that cloned voices could increasingly be used for fraud and misinformation. And yet at the same time, content creators are using it to save hundreds of hours recording narration manually. That's the strange thing about AI. Every powerful tool feels both useful and dangerous at the same time. The fifth website feels almost impossible, Gamma. This site can generate full presentations, pitch decks, websites, and documents instantly from a few sentences. Students use it to build presentations in minutes. Startups use it to create investor decks without designers. Freelancers use it to produce polished client work almost instantly. A process that once required hours inside PowerPoint now happens automatically. And honestly, tools like this are changing how productivity works online. Reports show workers using generative AI save significant time weekly on repetitive tasks. But the sixth website is where things become truly insane. Perplexity AI. Most people still search the internet the old way, opening dozens of tabs trying to figure out which website has the right answer. Perplexity changes that completely. It searches the web in real time and summarizes information instantly like a research assistant from the future. Students use it, researchers use it, business owners use it. Some people even think AI search engines could eventually replace traditional search entirely because they save so much time. Instead of hunting for information manually, AI delivers summarized answers instantly. And once you get used to it, normal search engines start feeling outdated. But the seventh AI website might be the craziest of all. Cursor. This tool feels illegal because it allows people with almost zero coding experience to build software. You literally describe what you want in plain English, and AI writes the code for you. Websites, apps, automations, tools, entire projects. Developers are already using AI coding assistants heavily because they dramatically speed up workflows. Some reports suggest AI-assisted coding could soon become standard across the software industry. And that completely changes the internet forever. Because coding used to be a superpower. Now, AI is turning it into a conversation. But here's the weirdest part about all these websites. Most people still have no idea they exist. While millions of people waste time scrolling social media, a smaller group is quietly using AI to automate businesses, create content, generate music, clone voices, build software, and scale online income faster than ever before. That's why these websites feel illegal to know. Because once you discover them, you realize the internet is splitting into two groups: people using AI casually, and people using AI strategically. The second group is moving way faster. And honestly, we're probably still early. Right now, these tools still feel experimental. Sometimes weird, sometimes broken. But every month, they improve dramatically. AI video gets more realistic. AI voices become harder to detect. AI coding becomes smarter. AI-generated content becomes nearly indistinguishable from human work. And eventually, the internet may become flooded with AI-created everything. AI influencers, AI businesses, AI music artists, AI films, AI customer support, AI education. Some experts believe AI could contribute trillions of dollars to the global economy over the coming years as businesses automate more workflows and creative tasks. And honestly, that future already feels like it started. Because these websites aren't just tools anymore, they're shortcuts. Shortcuts to skills that once required years to learn. Shortcuts to businesses that once required teams. Shortcuts to content creation that once required entire studios. Which is exactly why discovering them feels so strange. Like finding cheat codes for the modern internet.